and everything renewal policies. So I have USAA for my interior, and that's how much I pay for the inside. I have to have flood insurance, so I have National General, and oh, this is how much I pay for flood insurance. I'm doing my property taxes. I live in South Florida, Broward County, so that's my property taxes. And I have to have Citizens for hurricane insurance because my last hurricane insurance company actually left the state, and Citizens is the only one that would pick it up. So in 2025, my hurricane insurance was $5,267, but they decided to go ahead and renew it, zero claims, and this is how much I'm paying this year.
So if my math is correct, that's about $15,000 a year. I mean that's absolutely brutal. Um, I mean, as a South Floridian myself, here's what comes to mind when I look at this. And I'm trying not to complain. Right? I'm just trying to kind of speak contextually here because complaining, if we just do the easy thing, that's criminal. That's horrible, right? What is there to do to fix it? And that's what I'm trying to get at. I think I think there's more to it, right? What are the federal and state laws that don't exist to help support the free market to drive these prices down, or addressing root cause issues? Okay, because this doesn't just happen. This doesn't just happen, guys. Okay, there's laws that are preventing more companies to compete. Okay, what they are, I'm not sure, but this is my thought process behind that. Okay, there's some type of anti-competition going on, or they're making it so expensive to operate in the state of Florida, right? That is where the criminality is in, and also too the focus of, for instance, I mean this just passed that, like maybe I don't want to say it. I don't want to get in trouble, but there's different focuses on things that I disagree with, right? Like pop culture or you know interests of that rather than cost of living. Like when people ask me, "Oh, do you think there's going to be like an American Civil War because the left and the right, or the Epstein files, and there's going to be all this crazy stuff, like some type of great reckoning to occur?" I say no. I don't think so at all. Right? No matter how hysterical a right winger gets, no matter how hysterical a left winger gets, I don't think to the average person, to the average man out there, it will get bad enough politically, like of political opinion, Epstein files, stuff like that. Now, what I think when we will get a kinetic revolution, a physical change, uprising, people on the street. I mean, en masse, like where daily life is being halted and disrupted across the nation, is stuff like this: cost of living, diminishing jobs, poor jobs, terrible economy that's not serving everybody. That's only serving, oh, a bunch of ink on my hand. That's only serving the rich, all right, the wealthy, okay, the upper echelons, not even the rich and wealthy, but just the upper echelons. When the economy is only serving them and leaves out everyone else with no opportunity, right? Poor ability in the state or federally for competition to occur, making it super expensive. Okay, yeah, insurance, health insurance, dental insurance, right, on your house, it makes it hard to live. That, because that affects everyone. That doesn't care about what your race is. That doesn't care about your religion. That doesn't care about opinion. It is hard, cold numbers that are just eating you alive because for various reasons, through corruption, etc., that your life is tough and it's not making it easy whatsoever. That right there is where I think a massive change is going to occur.